Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to trade on Telegram Wallet. First, ensure your Telegram app is updated to access the wallet feature. You'll find the wallet icon directly within your chat list or settings. This integrated tool simplifies cryptocurrency management, making it accessible for everyday use. It's designed for quick, secure transactions, allowing you to manage your digital assets without leaving the Telegram environment. To begin, activate your wallet by agreeing to the terms and conditions. Next, you'll need to fund it. You can easily add funds using a bank card or by transferring existing cryptocurrency from another wallet. The process is straightforward, typically taking just a few minutes. Ensure you verify all transaction details before confirming any deposits to avoid errors. When you're ready to trade, head to the Exchange section within your wallet. Here, you can select the specific cryptocurrency pair you want to trade, such as Toncoin versus Bitcoin. Input the amount, review the current exchange rate, and then confirm your transaction. Always enable two-factor authentication for an extra layer of security, protecting your assets from unauthorized access. For more advanced trading, explore the peer-to-peer or P2P market within the wallet. This allows you to trade directly with other users, often with more flexible terms. Always stay updated on market trends and news to make informed decisions. Remember to check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, as well as other great deals we've found for you. Happy trading!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.